Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is August the 10th, 2024, and this is one of the cut flower beds here. Now this is the first year that we're using the landscaper's fabric. I'll have a link down in the description for this, and I wish we would have used this stuff years ago. It has greatly helped with reducing the weeds, and it's helped with preventing blights and diseases on our plants. It's also helped with certain pest control. So look at these beautiful celosias here. Now this is a crested type celosia, and this one here is pretty much ready to harvest. This one back here is still a little floppy, but check the base here of the stem. Pretty solid there, but the flowers are growing beautiful in this. So we're going to be cutting some celosia here, and get some long stems here. I'm cutting it.
Now wait, so I can get in to show them.
Right above two leaves right here, because this is going to branch off. You can see there's a branch already coming right there. So we have our beautiful, gorgeous crested celosia here. Nice sturdy stem. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to strip all of these leaves off here. Strip all the lower leaves off. And you can throw them on your compost pile if you choose to. I'm just taking them off here, and I'll be removing all of these lower stems then. And I'll have just this one up here. If you want to leave some foliage up top, you can. It look beautiful when you do that for your arrangements.
Now wait, your arms.
Okay. I'll have a link down in the description for my pruning shears that I use. I've been using these for years. I love that you can get down in between these stems, and that's why I use these here. On some of the really heavy, thick ones, I do use different heavier pruners, so I don't break my little pruners. We have these gorgeous celosias back here. It's okay. You can see this actually fell across the pathway from this plant right here. So it did need some staking, but we've had rain for like a week now. So the plants are just growing so much, and they're getting that big and heavy that some of them are falling over. So we do have to watch as we walk through here. But this plastic here is really warm. It gets really hot. And that's helping the plants to grow faster, and it's helping them to mature faster, which is what we need. I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B, so we do have a shorter growing season. But so far, I love the landscaper's fabric, and I do plan on continuing to use it. I have some different spots I'd like to put it in, and yeah, I really like it. Now, when it's really hot out, it is going to increase the heat when you're on it harvesting. So you do want to make sure that you have your water along with you to drink, so that you don't get overheated and have like heat exhaustion or something like that, or get dehydrated. So that is something that I have noticed with this plastic, is it does get very warm. You can see how much these plants have grown. In previous years, I have never seen Gumina or Celosia grown outside in my area where I'm growing at that have gotten this large. So it's proving to be a definite plus for us. It's also helping to keep the moisture in longer for us, which is really good because we were hauling water in, but it did help a lot with retaining the moisture. So we have a lot of different beautiful varieties back here, which I'll take the camera and I will show you them. So you can see this one here actually fell across from over here. I have to get a stake in there. This one here actually broke the stem. You can see how large around these stems are, and you can see how gorgeous and beautiful these flowers are here. This variety over here is a green variety. I never grew it before. Let me stand on the other side of it so you can really see it here. And I never grew it before. It's pretty interesting looking. That one's almost ready. But look at this gorgeous one here. I want to show you this one here. This here is a variegated one. It has multiple different colors. In the head, it's a crested type. We have our plumes over here, gigantic marigolds, and I wanted to try growing them here. And you can see over there, there's no weed barrier, and that's all weeds over here. This is all the weed barrier down. We have a few weeds right there. We can just pull those out real easy, and a whole lot nicer to walk through. The plants are doing great. See, here's another beautiful celosia here. We had a mishap somehow that came from on top of the other side of the greenhouse and pulled itself the whole way over here, so we have to figure out how to get that back over there. Not exactly sure how that happened, but something that definitely needs fixed, because that helps the wind to roll over the greenhouse, and it helps with the air barrier for in the wintertime to keep the greenhouses warmer even though they are heated. So we're gonna, oops, oh, I dropped my cap. We're going to get this one here cut, because this one here is ready. See how it's nice and stiff? It's ready. So we're gonna get this one here cut. There we go. Gorgeous color. Look how pretty they are together. That is so gorgeous. You mix some zinnias in with that, some straw flowers, you have a beautiful bouquet. So after you cut these, you want to go ahead and recut them on a 45-degree angle, and put them in your water. If you have your food for your fresh cut flowers in there, you can put that along in there, and move them into a cooler area and let them rehydrate before you start working with them for your bouquets. This is, oh, that one's ready. This is gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. I hope this comes out as beautiful on the computer, and that the camera's picking up all the colors as it is in person. It's like this gorgeous sort of grapefruit color with like oranges and different shades of like reds. Really beautiful. And I love this red color here. This is sort of like a magenta red in a way, but it's kind of, it has like a lot of the reds to it. And then this one here is like an orange juice color, sort of. So I'm going to harvest more in here, and wanted to show you here. But this one here is, this is one. This thing is massive. Pretty large. I'm really impressed with this one here. So, one quick thing here. Some of your stalks will be flat on your celosia, and I'm not exactly sure what makes them be flat like that. I really don't have an answer for that. But what I can tell you is, if you're saving seeds for your heirloom celosias and you don't like the flat stems, you do not want to save seeds from a plant that has the flat stems, because it's going to be in the genetics, and that's going to go right into the seeds, and you're going to have plants that have the flat stems on them instead of the normal round stems like on this one here. So that's just a quick little tip there. I seen this, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about it real quick. I have another video about saving heirloom and open pollinated seeds. I will put that video at the end of this video that you can click on, and you can go ahead and watch that. I give more seed saving tips for your heirloom and open pollinated varieties, and I go over like what to look for in different things. And I'll have a video also at the end of this video for how to save seeds for your heirloom and open pollinated celosias. And this one here is a crested celosia. This is more of a fan type shaped celosia, whereas some of the ones are more like the coral brain type celosias. But gumpies are beautiful this year. That's what I call Gumfrina gumpies, so if you hear me say that, I'm talking about Gumfrina. And you could also mix these up with like your dahlias and different things. So I have a whole lot more to harvest here. So I'm going to wrap up this video here, and hope you've enjoyed a little portion of the flower farm. And this is a very small patch of what we grow, but I wanted to share with you is how the fabric is working out for us. And I wanted to show you these gorgeous celosias here, because these are so pretty this year, and I just wanted to share them with you. And I give you some harvesting tips. So this is the end of the harvest here for that spot. I'm going to get all the leaves stripped off of these. I just wanted to show you everything that I got here. These beautiful colors. These are gorgeous this year. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. Notifies I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.